guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Peacesent Makeover. So today I'm back again with a new reaction. So today I'm going to be reacting to Austin Brown singing Unchained Melody. Guys, this is going to be awesome, so let's get right into it.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah, lonely rivers sigh, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time, and time.
Wow guys, this is awesome. Like, this is my first time reacting to Austin Brown, but I've reacted to Unchained Melody by Righteous Brothers. His voice is so calm and so warm. I love the way he's singing, I love the way he's expressing himself. And the guy playing the guitar, I love what he's doing right there. He's adding melody to the song. This is awesome. Like, I never knew it was going to be this amazing. I never knew his vocal was going to be this superb, guys. So let's continue.
Time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Oh,
This is an awesome performance. Wow. Austin Brown is incredible. I love his performance right here. I love his singing. Like I said earlier, he sings so calm, so peacefully. He does not stress himself. I love the way he was singing. I really enjoyed every bit of it. I felt his emotion. I felt his connection to this song, guys. This was awesome. This is spectacular performance, guys. So guys, let me know what you think about my reaction in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys next time.